That well, but I do know that I came to 1345 to assist in a comic visit in 2009, and almost everything that was associated, I say almost, there were many things that were associated with that comic that were tied back to Staff Sergeant Hurley's name. I've heard several stories about State Ag community missions and just different things that he's been tasked with over the years. And I would like to personally extend my gratitude and thanks to Staff Sergeant Hurley and to his wife Linda for allowing him to be a part of this and to dedicate the time and the hours that he has to the 1345 Transportation Company. At this time, I'd like to open it up if anybody's got any stories or anything that they would like to say, or keep it clean. Family year. So if you've got a story that you'd like to tell of an incident or an occurrence or something about Staff Sergeant Hurley at this time, go ahead and feel free to share that. I know you got something over there, Sergeant Beals. I see.
Yeah.
I see the wheels turning.
Well, besides the fact that they thought we were going to kill each other in Missoula when they put us in an office together, Scott and I didn't get along very well up before Missoula, and I was telling some people today that him and one other guy ended up being my best friends coming out of Iraq, and going to miss you a lot. I don't know how much you're going to miss being my neighbor at Key West when me and Mr. Stevie Green would have our husband and wife fights in the chew and wake up Scott. You going to miss my coffee in the mornings, though? All right. Going to miss you, buddy.
Anybody else?
Go Kanawha Tigers.
I know I heard it throughout the years. Everybody called him Sergeant Major Hurley. And it was sometimes as a feeling towards him, but everybody respected him because he knew what he was doing. And he would let you know if you weren't doing something correctly. In a heartbeat. But he is a big chunk of the heart of 1345. He will be missed.
All I'd like to say is thank you very much for everything. Support, friendships. You will be missed. I know that you'll continue to make the battalion and the National Guard proud of you. You've done in the past. I know that you'll continue to support Lieutenant Sides and First Sergeant to the best of your ability and make him proud of you.